welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen appliance that has been making waves in the culinary world, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart 6-in-1 DualZone Air Fryer. We found this product online and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Ninja DZ201 Air Fryer? This innovative kitchen gadget combines the functions of an air fryer, roaster, broiler, baker, reheater, and dehydrator all in one sleek design. With its DualZone technology, it allows you to cook multiple foods simultaneously, making meal prep quicker and more efficient. Let's talk about some of the key features that make this air fryer stand out. First and foremost, the Ninja DZ201 boasts a generous 8-quart capacity. This means you can easily fit both mains and sides at the same time, which is perfect for family meals or when you're entertaining guests. Imagine cooking up to 4 pounds of crispy French fries or chicken wings, all at once. One of the standout features is the Smart Finish and Match Cook capabilities. The Smart Finish option allows you to cook 2 different foods using 2 different methods, and have them finish at the same time. This is a game changer for busy weeknights. The Match Cook feature lets you easily replicate cooking settings across both baskets, so you can maximize the full 8-quart capacity without any hassle. The Ninja DZ201 isn't just about size, it's also incredibly versatile. With 6 cooking programs, you can air fry, broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, giving you plenty of options for meal preparation. The ability to dehydrate fruits and vegetables opens up a world of healthy snack possibilities. The design of this air fryer includes 2 independent 4-quart zones, each with its own cooking basket, cyclonic fans, and rapid heaters. This ensures that your food cooks evenly and efficiently. Plus, the wide temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp them to perfection with convection heat. Cleaning up after cooking can sometimes be a hassle, but the Ninja DZ201 makes it easy. The baskets and crisper plates are both dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious meals. So, who is this air fryer suitable for? If you're a busy parent trying to juggle meals for the family, or if you love entertaining and want to impress your guests with quick, delicious dishes, this appliance is definitely for you. It's also great for health-conscious individuals looking for a convenient way to prepare lower-calorie meals without sacrificing flavor. Let's discuss some practical use cases. Picture this: it's a Friday night, and you want to treat your family to a feast but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. You can air fry chicken wings in one basket while roasting vegetables in the other. Or maybe it's Sunday, and you're prepping for the week ahead, you can dehydrate fruits for healthy snacks while baking a batch of your favorite muffins. In conclusion, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart DualZone Air Fryer is a versatile, efficient, and user-friendly kitchen appliance that can help you create quick, delicious meals for any occasion. With its innovative features and large capacity, it's perfect for families, busy individuals, or anyone who loves to cook. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.